camping in the summer is just always so hot. I've had enough of this heat. The solution is the Mitsubishi Heavy Industries 2.5 to 3 kilowatt split system AC to keep you cool or warm, no matter the weather. The weather's been quite hot lately. I've been living in this caravan thing made out of fridge panels. So you can just imagine filling a fridge with 30-degree air and then closing it up and then living in it. I don't really like it that much.
Hallelujah.
Anyway, this is going to solve all my problems. It's going to be perfect. I've been suffering all week. Super hot, not getting any sleep. I'm waiting for these brackets to arrive. They were taking a long time, but it's just because the guy didn't check his emails and forgot to send them. But eventually, he sent them. And they arrived on the same day. So I got straight to work. I reckon the guy that built this caravan did a pretty good job of keeping it looking pretty nice, and I didn't want to ruin it by doing an ugly job on this. So I'm going to paint the brackets black so they can blend in as much as possible, and I'm going to run the pipework internally and just generally try to do a neat job to avoid making this look like a rolling shack. I've got to run the cable 3100. Sweet. I ended up using Cobra clamps on the flexi conduit just instead of having it popping up through the floor like that. It's much tidier. Right, let's make room for this thing and get it up on the wall.
Do something to take photos of me.
Yeah.
But then, I mean, keep saying we can do it. Well, we could, but we don't.
No.
Yeah, yeah. Is it our fella? Yeah. It's alright. They're not my mum. It's alright. I'm still hidden down, I guess.
We're out there at like midnight last night trying to finish this off, and we had it going. It was working good. Time to tidy up the last little bits, hide the pipes completely and make this room usable again. Aircon, then these shelves, gonna hide the pipes. I was using these shelves that I took down earlier to hide my pipework. They weren't doing a great job of actually hiding the pipework, so we decided to make some modifications. Found some random fabric and it was beautiful, so we used it as a background on these things so we can look at that instead of refrigerant pipes. I'm so angry. Well, I got my drawers back in. This is pretty much how it's gonna look. These work good. Got the beautiful background in them. You can't see any pipes or anything, pretty much. I would be quite happy with everything except that it doesn't work. Like I said, we had it going at like midnight on Friday, and then it made it all the way to Sunday, and then it stopped. I've installed so many of these, and this is the first time that's happened. Why couldn't it have been at somebody else's place? Why did it have to be my one? I really want to find out what's wrong with it, but I feel like we didn't do anything bad enough to break it this quickly when we were installing it. So I'm claiming the warranty, and I'll let them figure out what's wrong with it. If it is something that we did, then obviously I'll have to pay for it, but I don't know. So I'll just have to wait and find out. It was a cool idea though. I would be pretty happy about it. I don't really know what to say now.